Hi, today is 17th of June and it's 10:15 a.m. in the morning. There are a few companies which I want to highlight, and someone asked me what this output is. This is my proprietary software. ये मेरी सॉफ्टवेयर है जो मैंने लिखा है, और उसका जो डेटा है वो मैं एनालाइज करके आपको दे रहा हूँ, इन द सेंस कि मैं बता रहा हूँ कि मुझे अभी क्या लग रहा है, राइट. सो फ्रॉम हायर फ्रॉम स्ट्रेंथ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, ऑफ कोर्स दीज आर फ्यू ऑफ दिस कंपनीज. बाटा इंडिया इज़ वेरी नाइस, ऑल टाइम हाई. ये मैं ट्वीट भी कर रहा हूँ सुबह से. मैं इसमें ट्रेड में हूँ, और एशियन पेंट्स मेड एन ऑल टाइम हाई, और पिडिलाइट इंडस्ट्री, नेस्ले इंडस्ट्री, कोलपाल, ये हम लोग पहले डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. सन टीवी, डोंट लुक इनटू सन टीवी फॉर नाउ. And other than that, Britannia is also trading near the day's high, and maybe it will face some resistance over here, and there might be a dip. Going forward, or McDonald's or UBL together with Radico is not is also a mid cap company जिसमें मेरा बहुत interest है. So somehow they are also in the very resistance region, क्योंकि ये 1400 पे है UBL, and that is a sort of a resistance for UBL, but let's see if it's able to break past it. Similarly, Gujarat Gas also made an all-time high, and right now is trading above 670, so that would be also something of interest for me. Now you see these red ones, these are some of the stocks which are actually sort of weak. I think going forward, given the sentiment of this market, if I am interested, अगर मुझे इंटरेस्ट है कि कुछ लेवल्स पे सिप करने का किसी भी कंपनी में, सो ये कंपनीज फिलहाल मेरे रेडार पे है. पावर ग्रिड, ये मैं कल बोला था कि 240 बहुत अच्छी एक सिप की रीजन है, और ये आज 238 में खुल के अभी 244 में खुली थी, और फिर वहाँ से सेल ऑफ आई. कल भी मैं इसमें 241 में घुसा था और 244 तक गई थी. सो पावर ग्रिड का जो रिजल्ट आने वाला है, मे बी दैट्स द रीज़न, बट दिस स्टॉक विल डेफिनेटली बी इन माई रेडार फॉर टुडे. और इसके अलावा अभी बजाज ऑटो भी 4100 पे है, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. 4100 से थोड़ी नीचे है, सो मे बी 4000 लेवल्स और 4040 लेवल्स में अगर आई, सो मे बी आई विल ऑल्सो ट्राई टू ट्रैक रिवर्सल. ऑल्सो ट्रू फॉर मदरसन सुमी अभी 240 में गई थी, और फिर अभी 244 में ट्रेड कर रही है. सो देयर वाज सम बाइंग इंटरेस्ट विच हैपेंड इन मदरसुमी, एंड सो बेसिकली दिस would be in my tracker if it's able to show some strength. Coal India, I don't trade in Coal India, but again, this is one of the company, if you are interested in, you can have a look, because it's trading around about 155. Nam India is just a company which now it's trading around about 364, and I think Nam India ये मैं पहले भी ट्रेड करके उसको ऑल टाइम हाई में बुक किया हूँ, the last run it had. So maybe 360 levels would be very good for Nam India. Similarly, PFC 127 is a very good level for me to monitor, and it has reversed from there. Or Manappuram Finance, I think is a range stuck between 162 and 166. मैं इसमें एक ट्वीट किया था some 4-5-7 days पहले. I was tracking it, but eventually it didn't work because 166 के अंदर ही है, रेंज बाउंड ही है. unless and until it's able to break 166, I will not have a look into it. And similarly, LTTS 2800 पे है, and it's 2833 right now, and I think it made a low of 2800, which was the breakout level, so this might be a retest of the earlier breakout. So no matter what, going forward, I think one of the best things which you can see for all these red colored companies is ये लोग नीचे से स्टार्ट हुई हैं और फिर उनमें बाइंग आई है, एंड आई थिंक दीज माइट बी अ वेरी गुड sort of companies जहाँ पे either they can break the range. So just for example, a very good candidate for a range breakout would be the one I was talking, Manappuram. Say for example, right, ये एक रेंज में थी, आज डिप आई, एंड देन अगेन वो रेंज के टॉपर रीजन 166 में ट्रेड कर रही है, विच शोज दैट chances are very high that it would be able to break this time. So let's see, right? So that's all. And another thing which I'm seeing is there are a lot of companies which have given a lot of a very good a reversal. So they started off and then there was a dip, and then all the dip got bought, and now they're trading above their So there are a lot of companies, but the one which I will mention explicitly is L&T Finance Housing. I think ये इसका result, not I think, I know, इसका result 2 दिन पहले आया था. उसके बाद yesterday it had a big fall and it was one of the biggest losers in FNO. But again, today I'm seeing some momentum around about 95, 96 region. So I will open a chart and I will try to have a look what happened. And other than that, definitely TVS Moto is there, and Bharti Airtel and Trend. So these are a few of the very companies which are popping up in my radar. Dr. Reddy had also had a dip, but now it's trying to regain the 5400 levels. So let's see. But other than that, I think the market is not that bad, and means I would be more optimistic rather than pessimistic from what it has been doing till this 10:22. So hope this market watch was meaningful for you, and maybe going forward I would be able to find some explicit runners. So as I mentioned, the only company which I see is lagging, there are two companies which are lagging, is Maruti and Kotak Bank. And Kotak Bank has 1825, so just remember this number, 1825 for Kotak Bank. So that would be a level. If that breakout happens, that will be much more vigorous. Other than that, MARICO also formed all-time high, and this was a stock which I didn't put in my radar because I was already having stocks like Tata Consumer and Asian Paints and Emphasis. So they all made all-time high today. HINDPETRO. So I am happy with at least the way my first morning trade went. Tata Steel had a dip, and I was able to buy the dip at 1011, and I was able to close it at 1025. So basically, I think going forward, maybe Tata Steel would be again trading between 1130 and 1100 levels, unless this 1134 is taken out. So that's all what I have for you in this market watch. Hope this was helpful, and if it helps you, agar ye helpful raha, to just share, not share, like and comment, right? Thanks a lot for listening. Tata.